How are you?
I'm having lots of fun. It's fun. So what's up? How are you guys today? I'm good. Oh, that's good. Just normal, you know, hanging out with my friends. Hi, Kitty. Bowling was fun today, wasn't it? It was very fun. Hello. Oh my God. That's crazy. What do you think?
I'm gonna get such a headache after.
It's weird how I can do this.
Yeah,
right?
your
Really
voice gets
weird.
really, really high.
Really, really
And
high.
if you get a really bad headache, I'm already excited to get one. So, what should we talk about? Why we're all hyped up on helium.
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 I'm almost out.
You shouldn't be out.
I am.
So, what's up?
Nothing. The
Yeah.
sky.
The balloon.
The balloon. This is really a headache. Hey, kitty kitty.
Allie, are you bored?
No, it's actually kind of
We
funny.
gotta record you.
Yes, I'm gonna be like all the, yeah.
Okay, here I'll record and you can suck some helium to get.
Wow,
We
that
don't
was
sleep.
the last of my
We
helium.
don't have fun.
That was the last of my helium.
So what? We go
Oh,
out.
I got such a
That's
headache.
how it's supposed to be. Living young.
Yeah, siempre.
Your voice is really tiny.
What?
If you suck a lot, your voice gets...
Yeah, I could be tinier.
Oh my god.
This is kind of funny.
I'm sure it is.
Very
Very
funny.
This is really fun.
What was that?
Me coughing.
Wow. Well.
Your voice gets the highest.
I guess because of my voice.
So,
Hey, this is not working very well anymore.
really?
Mine's working.
Allie,
It's about this
you have
much.
to do it after. Oh my god. Yeah,
your,
Herman.
your voice gets so high.
I can tell. I guess it's just because of my age and all that. Well, you have a...
Brittany. What?
Second bitch.
Wow. Remember, what do I look like when Ian came over?
Faggot.
That was funny.
You look like a faggot.
What was that? I don't know.
So weird.
Okay, I'm turning this off.